Welcome to Mark Rochefort Outdoors. It's Tuesday, March 9th, and fishing season's over, but scrapping season is here. Look what I scored today. Pretty nice load of scrap. From my new buddy Jake. Thank you, Jake. Bunch of engines. He works on lawnmowers, riding lawnmowers. I like how it fit nicely into the back of the truck. I don't know how I'm going to fit this in there. Maybe I'll have to strap it in on the tailgate. I really don't want it on top and rolling off. I don't know, I'll figure it out. It's a gorgeous day. It was 6 degrees today, finally. It's been so cold. So everything's starting to melt, which is a great thing for scrapping. Yep. Spring is here. Let's hope it's better than winter. Winter was way too stressful. So, a spring day yielded lots of scrap. A little bit of hard work and a well-placed advertisement, and I got some scrap. Not too much to separate. I'm not sure if there's anything I can really take off these engines. Some aluminum, but I don't have a melting pot, so it's not like I can melt them. I see a couple wires on the riding lawnmower. I saw a thicker wire back where the cables, the battery goes. So look at that. I guess some of this is steel. Like that's a steel piece. And I know for sure I can get the engine, the motor price engines. It's a slightly higher price at the scrapyard. I'm not sure if, I think this is steel too. Looks like, I'm not sure if they'll consider that steel if I take this off and that plastic piece off. Well, that's tomorrow's job. Keep my tools in my bucket, and the truck's running pretty good, so. Thanks for watching. It's Mark Rochefort Outdoors, also a scrapper. See you later, guys.